All our preclinical and clinical sites report to a single senior executive, and we added IT and facilities management into their responsibilities. Then we put all the support groups, bioanalysis, project management, biostatistics, medical writing, and data management under another senior executive, and we added CDMO responsibilities to them as well. Early drug development, CRO outsourcing, has traditionally been managed as separate steps: manufacturing, preclinical, clinical, bioanalytical, at least, often more than that. So when there was that shift in early drug development from the larger pharma to the small to mid-sized biopharma, this traditional model made much less sense. And that's why we built, and we continue to build, the CRO that provides full-service integrated early drug development solution. What it does is it reduces the timelines, it creates a proactive approach to the development, and it reduces the project management oversight that's required from the client. And true integration can only be built in. You can't back engineer it, so it has to be part of our culture. And that has been a key factor in being able to integrate these services and to look at early drug development as a single continuum, not a series of separate steps. Larger CROs tend to be siloed to a greater or lesser extent and tend to be structured under each service line. So integration requires a lot of effort, and we know from our clients that moving from preclinical to clinical in these few larger CROs that actually offer both these services is essentially the same as working with separate CROs. If you look at early drug development, there's a number of reasons for delays, but two of the main areas are unexpected findings and handoffs. So our internal structure, which we talked about earlier, coupled with the culture of integration, communication, and customer service, it ensures that the impact of unexpected findings on the overall timeline, not just in that study, can be addressed quickly and effectively, and with a single project manager supported by a unique structure, with a single company-wide scheduling tool, handoff delays are essentially eliminated. Our experience actually has shown that the time taken to move a drug from that first preclinical studies through the early clinical evaluation can easily be reduced by 30 to 40% by integrating the whole program from start to end and without accelerating any single process. We call it cutting out the waste.